Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between two popular home treadmills, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Actflame Walking Pad Treadmill. Today we'll dive into what makes each treadmill unique, focusing on their features, price, motor and noise level, portability, and warranty and support. This comparison is based on a thorough analysis of online reviews and feature comparisons, so you can make an informed decision on which treadmill suits your needs best. When considering the affordability of home fitness equipment, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill positions itself as a premium option at $299, akin to a high-end accessory for your home gym. In contrast, the Actflame Treadmill presents a more budget-friendly choice at $239, appealing to those seeking value without a hefty price tag. Amazon reviewers highlight the Cursor Fitness for its solid build and reliability, while the Actflame is praised for its exceptional value, making the decision between premium quality and budget-friendly pricing a key consideration. In the realm of motor performance and noise levels, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill boasts a quiet brushless motor with a noise level peaking at 65 decibels, ensuring your workout doesn't disturb the peace. Meanwhile, the Actflame Treadmill takes it a step further by promising an ultra-quiet experience under 45 decibels. Amazon reviews corroborate these claims, with users of the Cursor Fitness appreciating its relatively quiet operation and Actflame users highlighting the almost silent workout experience, making both treadmills appealing for those seeking to maintain a quiet home environment. Feature-wise, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill shines with its comprehensive digital LED console, heart rate monitor, and a spacious running surface. It's described as a personal fitness studio in the comfort of your home. On the other hand, the Actflame Treadmill focuses on simplicity and efficiency, offering an incline feature without the need for additional tools, making it a straightforward choice for those prioritizing specific workout goals. Reviewers on Amazon appreciate the Cursor Fitness for its array of features and the Actflame for its simplicity and effectiveness, highlighting a preference based on individual workout needs. Portability is a crucial factor for many, especially those with limited space. The Actflame Treadmill's compact design and front wheels make it highly portable and easy to store, a boon for small apartment dwellers. Conversely, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill, while foldable, demands more commitment in terms of storage space. Amazon reviewers frequently mention the ease of moving and storing the Actflame, whereas the Cursor Fitness is often lauded for its sturdiness and reliability, even if it requires a bit more room. Warranty and support are vital for ensuring your investment lasts. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill offers a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind and security for a longer period. The Actflame Treadmill, with a 1-year warranty on motor and parts, offers essential coverage without overcommitment. Amazon reviews reflect appreciation for Cursor Fitness's extensive warranty and customer service, while Actflame users find the warranty sufficient for their needs, making the choice between comprehensive protection and basic coverage another important consideration. Overall, Amazon reviews paint a picture of satisfaction for both treadmills, with the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill being praised for its durability, feature, richness, and customer service. The Actflame Walking Pad Treadmill, on the other hand, is celebrated for its compactness, quiet operation, and affordability. Users of both products find value in their purchases, but for different reasons, highlighting the importance of choosing a treadmill that aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Thank you for watching our comparison between the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Actflame Walking Pad Treadmill. We hope this analysis has helped you understand the strengths and differences between these two treadmills. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. Your feedback is valuable to us and helps others make informed decisions. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Stay fit and informed, and we'll see you in the next video.